Yeah, me too. Yeah.
What's your YouTube channel?
GODEW.
GODEW.
GODEW. GODW.
GODW.
DEW. Hi guys, hope you're all right. So today we came here to Hérault district. As you can see the scenery. I'll take you the place first before speaking about it. Let's go then. This is one of the oldest usable Romanesque bridge in France. It is a remarkable and massive structure located at the end of Hérault Gorge. Now it's famous for other reason. It is also called Devil's Bridge. Historically, the Devil's Bridge has been scene of accident caused by jumps from the buildings or immediate surrounding. Despite the municipal taken many actions to prohibit jumps and installed multilingual signs, the emergency services count a dozen of accidents each year. In France, you will not able to find sign or warning in English, but this place has one. But still, jumpers ignore this warning sign and message. As you can see from the picture, the person will stuck at this place. Devil's Bridge has been registered and protected as an historical monument since 1935. In 1998, it was inscribed on UNESCO World Heritage List. Every summer, many accidents take place on this site, mostly by thrill seekers, backpackers, tourists, and local youngsters. Jumping from the top of footbridge measuring 18 meters in height, it is strictly prohibited. But challenges launched on social media networks are attracting more and more people. If you search in YouTube, you'll be able to find lots of cliff jumping videos from this site, which even looks quite dangerous, even deadly. The risk and prevention message do not deter candidates from taking the plunge. The tourist season is in full swing in the territory of Hérault Valley and a dangerous behavior is under close surveillance. और देखिए कितना ख़तरनाक ब्रिज बनाया है इन्होंने और ये जगह फेमस है जंप के लिए, क्लिफ जंप के लिए, जो कि इल्लीगल है. यहाँ पे सभी जगह पे लिखा हुआ है कि क्लिफ जंप इल्लीगल है. आपको दिखाता हूँ मैं यहाँ से. आप देखिए ये दूसरी पार है. दूसरी पार भी देखिए, यहाँ पे लोग बाग यहाँ पे कयाकिंग और बोटिंग और एज अ बीच आते हैं, पिकनिक मनाने आते हैं. बट आई कैन शो यू कहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है. ये देखिए, ये है पॉन्ट दियाबल और यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है कि दिस इज़ नॉट करेक्ट. यू कैन नॉट क्लिफ जंप और डाइविंग फ्रॉम दिस ब्रिज. इट्स इलीगल. और एक्चुअली यहाँ पे बहुत सारे इंसिडेंट हो गए हैं. बहुत सारे टीनेजर आते हैं और जंप करते हैं, तो इन्होंने यहाँ पे काफ़ी प्रतिबंध लगा दिया है, क्योंकि ये देखिए पता नहीं चलता कितना गहरा है, नीचे पत्थर ही पत्थर है. Between 2015 and 2020, 3 people died, 4 suffered vertebral fracture, 8 lumbar disorder, and 4 lower limb traumas. Falling jumps from the Devil's Bridge. A fall of 27 meters at 70 kilometers per hour in water, which has this speed is equivalent to a concrete wall. Is this worth making the buzz on social networks? That's all. This was my message. Hope you find this video useful. Then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till then, take care. Goodbye.
C'est bien, bien, bien.
Souscrivez un abonnement. Easy gang.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.